Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Build Chronicles. So today is a Monday. I'm gonna record what you're going to do this week. So basically leo inafaa tutengeneze this part over here. This is what we're building today. So let's see how the day goes, and maybe I'll post my team here tuone watasema nini. Okay, so let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Hiyo itabidi umeenda ushughulikiwe na daktari. Mimi hapo sikuangi part of it in any way. I'm done doing some repairs on this side. Monga! Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Saturday, so I haven't been here for 2 days. Basically this is what we have done. Tulikuwa tunajenga hiyo nyumba ya uchi. I hope you guys can see it. I'm going to show you the whole video. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next week. So basically we haven't done so much this week. We have been doing the security house and then some little repair at the back. So basically that's what we have been doing. So I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.